Hello again and welcome back. Just wanted to give an update on a bike that we bought August 31st, 6 years ago. So that would be 2016, I guess. I wish it was 06. So yeah, bought it, sat, moved, life got in the way. So I'm finally starting to get on this project. And basically what this bike is going to represent is a replica of one my dad had back in the 80s. Pretty much an identical bike. And his had an 836 kit, which this one will not have. We were going to do a 4-in-1 Delcovic exhaust. His originally had a Kirker, but those are quite spendy. So we're going to go with the Delcovic, which is pretty nice stainless steel. You see I've already removed the carburetors, removed a lot of the rear stuff, and I've got new wheels for it and polishing on the chrome, and I'll show you some of the other things that we've cleaned up already. This one has 11,203 miles. Turns over. I've used the electric starter before, but I've never had this one running. Seems to have compression. Everything, literally everything on the bike was 100% original, with the exception of probably the tires and spark plugs. But so that's the start of this thing. I'll show you some of the parts and pieces that are going to go with it. Now here's some of the parts and pieces we got. I got the carburetors all taken apart, and the way I do it is use Pine Sol. I let them soak in Pine Sol and hit them with the ultrasonic cleaner. These are going to need soda blasting, which I'm going to attempt for the first time. And I'll put a video up of that when I do that process. You can see the chrome. It's speckled, but it's original. Even got the original tire pressure sticker on there. I'm going to keep that as it is because it's going to be ridden, not a show bike, just something fun. Cleaned up the inner fender and still stickers on there, and basically all I used was a spray-on tire cleaner, a foam tire cleaner, and it cleaned up pretty nice. Tail light, I used some Meguiar's plastic polish. It still needs a little help, but that's the original tail light. So I'm going to try to keep as much original stuff as possible. The other carburetors on my workbench. There's 4 carburetors on this motorcycle. Currently do not have a parts washing tank, so a turkey pan it is. We'll put that in there, a little diesel fuel, clean all that up. May end up with a new sprocket and chain for the back. Always kind of want to do that. There's the rear brake drum, which will get lightly polished, axle, all that. There's the hub for the rear. A lot of people don't know. These have they call it cush drive. There's rubbers that go in the hub on the drive side to cushion. There's the wheels. The wheels came off of the other 750 that I purchased this spring. And these, I bought them primarily for the rims. Really nice rims. There's the cush drive. You see they're lightly speckled, but not too bad. I'll move up here to the turn signals, which I've polished, cleaned those. The reflector in the tail light is not good. I may just paint that a high bright silver or attempt to find another one. I'm not really sure yet. You can see the other parts on my bench here. One pretty cool thing that I've got for doing carburetors is a magnifying glass with a light in it. You get up there in years, that's a cool thing to have. As you can see, there's the carb kits for it, keysters, the accelerator pump, and I always keep my parts separated, and you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a real nice way to keep your parts together when you're rebuilding carburetors. Thanks again for watching. We're going to continue doing some update videos on this motorcycle. So if you'd like, comment if you'd like, if you got any hot tips or any ideas on other things, I'd love to read it. Subscribe and go from there. Again, I really appreciate you. I just got bit by a beetle of some sort right in my face, so that hurt. So again, appreciate you watching, and come back for more. Appreciate it.